Hello children, good morning. Welcome back to our English class. Today we are going to see our third chapter, How the Sun Was Rescued, second part. And dear children, I hope you are all learned last topic. Last class we saw about the How the Sun Was Rescued, part 1, isn't it? And did you learn the topic? Very good for those who complete the topic, and those who haven't finished, complete it soon. Let's move the topic part 2. So now everybody agreed to Mouse's opinion. Now they all cried, the hare, the hare. The hare was nothing but rabbit. Hare means rabbit, okay? So the hare was chosen. Everybody chosen the hare. So how the hare was chosen? So now the hare was chosen. The hare it hopped and skipped. What does it mean by skipped? It's nothing but moved lightly and quickly. Okay, moved lightly and quickly for many days across the land. While traveling to how the rabbits will usually move hop, they will skip likewise they move. So the rabbit he hopped and skipped for many days across the land, and one day he could visualize the rays of light coming from inside the earth through narrow crack. Okay, the narrow crack on the earth, and from that the crack he could visualizes the light. Now the hare thought, okay, some light coming out from those cracks, it must be the sun. So the brave little rabbit squeezed through the crack. Now it went near the crack, it sneezed through the crack. It hopped over it to where the ball of fire lay. How the snatched? What does it mean by snatched? Took hold of something suddenly and roughly. Snatched means took hold of something suddenly and roughly. Okay, it up from the stone pot and moved fast to spring. Spring means nothing but move quickly and suddenly towards a particular place. Okay, move quickly and suddenly towards a particular place. Okay, through the crack. So he quickly moves towards the crack. Okay, so he ran very fast, help of with legs, but he was caught by the evil spirits. Okay, just as they were grab him. He gave the ball of fire a hard kick in the legs. So the evil spirits were about to grab him they were about to catch the hare. They haven't captured it yet. வேகமா பிடிக்க வர மாதிரி பிடிக்க வருது, பட் பிடிக்க முடியாம இருக்கும்ல அந்த மாதிரி. Okay, he just kicked the ball of fire hardly with his legs. Now the ball was fired to broke into two. Okay, one part is small and other part is big. With the second kick, he sent the small part flying high into the air until reach the heaven, and there it become the moon. He kicked the smaller part, the smaller fireball. It went up high in the sky. It reached the heaven, and now it become the beautiful moon. Okay, now the hare kicked the big fireball even higher, even higher. It reminded even as the sun. It went to the heaven. It went to the sky, and it reminded as the sun. The earth became the bright one again. After the sun kicking was a place, the earth was very bright. Now the evil spirits couldn't see anything. They were blinded. What's the mean by blinded? Unable to see. Okay, blinded means unable to see by the light produced by the sun, and hurried back to the cavern. Cavern means nothing but a large cave. Okay, they went back to the large cave, and they never to appear on again. So they decided not appeared on the earth again, and all the animals praised the brave little rabbit who had rescued the sun. Now the rabbit had rescued the sun from the hands of evil spirits. Okay, dear children, are you clear the lesson? I hope all are to clear, and take your note and pen, write the glossary and learn the lesson. Thank you.